The oil and gas industry employs linear guides and linear actuators in a wide array of applications, showcasing their versatility and importance. Drilling equipment. Linear motion components play a crucial role in facilitating precise movements and positioning during the intricate process of oil and gas exploration. Linear motion shakers effectively separate powder and granules in oil drilling operations, ensuring optimal performance. Valve actuators. The valve actuator serves as the pivotal mechanism for opening and closing valves, enabling precise control in oil and gas processing plants. Linear motion is harnessed in these valve actuators, guaranteeing exacting control over the flow of resources. Subsea Systems, operating in underwater environments, particularly in sailing conditions, poses significant challenges for any industry. However, linear motion components overcome these obstacles by enabling precise movements for remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, and other critical equipment used in subsea operations. These components maintain their accuracy and functionality despite being immersed in liquids. The integration of linear guides and actuators in these diverse applications highlights their significance in ensuring seamless and efficient operations in the demanding oil and gas industry.